I've always dreamed of exploring the universe, seeing galaxies and nebulas up close. But for most of us, it just feels out of reach. Until now. I needed something simple, yet powerful, and that's when I found the ZWO Seestar S30. As a global leader in astrophotography innovation, ZWO is dedicated to making astronomy accessible to everyone. Their flagship Seestar smart telescopes and professional ZWO gear empowers enthusiasts and professionals alike to explore the universe with ease. Discover more about their products on their website. As I opened the box, there it is. A simple phrase that gave me chills. Your handheld observatory. It isn't just a product anymore. It is a promise, an invitation to hold the universe in my hands. As I opened the carry case, I was immediately struck by how thoughtfully everything was arranged. Each piece felt like a part of a greater whole, carefully designed for a seamless stargazing experience. First, the sturdy metal tripod, light enough to carry yet strong enough to hold steady under the night sky. Then, the heart of it all, the Seestar S30 unit, compact, sleek, and full of promise. It's a marvel of modern engineering. Next, a magnetic solar filter, allowing safe exploration of the sun, a thoughtful addition that makes this telescope even more versatile. The instruction manual, a guide to unlock the potential of this handheld observatory. Lastly, a USB-C charging cable, ensuring the Seestar is always ready for the next adventure. Each item felt like a gateway, pulling me closer to the stars and planets waiting to be discovered. Here are some technical details and model specifications for Seestar S30. I would like to thank you ZWO for sending me this Seestar S30 to use and to review. Connecting Seestar with your handheld or mobile device is really easy. All you have to do is press the power on button, and then Seestar will connect through Bluetooth and then through Wi-Fi. Once it's connected, you are ready to go. The ZWO Seestar S30 is packed with an incredible array of features. Truly a marvel of technology. There's so much to explore that we'd need another video just to dive into all its capabilities. But for now, let's take it out into the field, put it to the test, and see the magic it can create. Stay tuned for the results. That wraps up our first hands-on test of ZWO Seestar S30. This little powerhouse proves that astronomy isn't just for experts, it's for everyone. With its compact design and easy accessibility, setting up under the stars has never been simpler. Its intelligent dual camera system lets you capture the deep space and stunning landscape with precision, while the scenic mode versatility makes astrophotography effortless, whether you are shooting the Milky Way or a breathtaking sunrise. The Seestar app's AI denoising cleans up your image in real time, bringing out the finest details, and with Mosaic mode, you can stitch together vast celestial wonders, turning your backyard into observatory. It's technology made for dreamers, explorers, and storytellers. A huge thanks to ZWO for sending me the Seestar S30 to test. It's been an incredible experience exploring the night sky with this innovative device. Stay tuned for more on my YouTube channel Astromania Australia, Instagram same Astromania Australia. Everyone out there, wish you clear skies and happy stargazing.